Take heat, this too hard.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up.
I paid some extra before we ain't come out and don't even wear it. The show ain't playing. I hit the bitch and I gave her some rats and I pull up my pants. She know I ain't stand. Go on the store run and get rubber bands. I done got rich, I done put on my mans. Choppers in traffic, they just how I'm living. They say that I'm tripping, they won't understand. She take a trip, she come back with a tan. I take a trip, I come back with them bands. When I was dealing, it really was killing them. Had them compete trying to see what I'm paying. She throw a hoodie on soon as we land. She don't like pics, I got too many fans. I'm running shit, I can do what I want and it's really a limit, you do what you can. I found a groove and I put that shit up. Before I run out of cash, they gon' run out of land. I fell in love with this bitch cause her head was amazing. I swear I don't need no her name. I'm about to take off, I gave them a chance. They gave me 10 M&M's on advance. Thought I'd be trapping forever, but God came and blessed me. I guess he was part of the plan. How he on fire, but he cool as a fan. Can't get at you, we gon' get at your man. They can relate to me cause I be popping it. Put in they face, let them see what I'm saying. I'm rocking shows like I play with a band. Free all the bros, know I would if I can. If I don't mean it, I swear I ain't saying it. Before I was 21, swear I was savage, smashing. Hold up, who got bad what I need? Roller or deal story, can't keep up with me. I'm spending thousands like money is none to me. I never coming back, them people under me. Not the fans, yeah the haters. Lot of bands on the table. They say I went commercial, I ain't know it. They want me catch a murder, I ain't going back. Play myself on my position, who doing that?
We got effing with extensions, we throwing that. My ass got my full attention, she throwing that. Niggas talking way too much, I ain't going back. Hoping niggas, cause these niggas be holding racks. On the real, yeah, we know you don't own them right. Pockets full, push them down, they stop poking back. Turn $8 million right into I'm a quarterback. Spent $1 million like I'm trying to bring Kobe back. 24. I'm ready, I use the crap out like it's Betty. They say the drop hot and it's ready. Might stretch it out, but it ain't fast. Say my dog doing time, but I know he ain't gonna snitch, cause it's still some shit he didn't tell me. My dog stepped to Sally, he told me the whole story over the Sally. Went up in my price and my pocket like Kelly. Fucked her in the telly, no, I cannot say who no telly. My head getting heavy, and you know I still got Balmains on my ass. No, I can't do no amends. Said I'm taking trips, long flights, they scary. She said her birthday in March, okay, cool, so that means you an Aries. I told her gotta go, she said you serious. Diamond cold as December, my vibe Sagittarius.
Who got bad what I need? Roller or deal story, can't keep up with me. I'm spending thousands like money is none to me. I never coming back, them people under me. Not the fans, yeah the haters. Lot of bands on the table. They say I went commercial, I ain't know it. They want me catch a murder, I ain't going back. Play myself on my position, switch up and come back another way. If the vibe ain't right, come back another day. Biggie dripper, I start up a tidal wave. Remix we put it in no microwave. Bash for 23 like I know Michael J. He can say what he want, but he gotta pay. Used to hide all the guns when my mama stay. Send my drugs around the corner, I pay all these bills, I'm a grown up. My cars a little different, I own them. I ain't with no leasing, my bill telling me I need credit. It's loud and clear if I said it. I come from the gutter, I spend me 100 on Chevys. You can take me out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of me. Know the hood proud of me. I just ventured my teeth, went and upgrade my teeth. Yeah, I dropped out of school, but that paper on me. Hold up, who got bad what I need? Roller or deal story, can't keep up with me. I'm spending thousands like money is none to me. I never